Good morning and welcome to the MAC weather page for this Thursday, June 29th, and we have some more showers and thunderstorms over the next 48 hours, and most areas will pick up about 3/4 of an inch to an inch of rain, and some of the storms today will be possibly severe in the southern part of the state. I think that's where the best chance of showers and thunder showers are, after the northern areas picked up most of the rain last night. And again, you can see plenty more warmth and thunderstorms on the way during the extended outlook. I think between now and Saturday morning, most areas will pick up between 3/4 of an inch to an inch of rain, but across southern lower Michigan, would not be surprised to see 1.75 inches or more, again with some of the stronger storms being located down there both today and tomorrow. In fact, all areas have a chance of picking up severe thunderstorms on Friday. If we look at the slide from Blissville, wheat harvest has begun down there. They got another load in yesterday and this morning. Guys out at 6 o'clock in the morning dedicated down there, getting things ready to go for a little bit busier day hopefully, but again, that rain may shut them down here later on this afternoon. If we look at the 21 years of growing degree days and see how we're looking this year as far as developmental stage, you can see we're in the upper portions of the growing degree days, so we're in great shape there as we expected we would be. And if we look at the very variable month of June as far as rainfall, you can see Breckenridge leading the way. We picked up about 3/4 of an inch rain last night, up to 7.8. We'll go over 8 inches here over the next couple of days, maybe even push 9 inches by Saturday morning. And again, you can see down in the southeast part of the state, under an inch of rain so far for the month, but I think you'll pick up quite a bit of rainfall here over the next 7 days, maybe a couple of inches. And you can see this is a soybean field that was located in Midland County near Poseyville Road, well underwater. This is from the floods from a few days ago. If we look at conditions out there this morning, you can see a very warm day out there with temperatures in the mid to upper 60s. And again, about 1/3 of an inch of rain here in Breckenridge, over an inch at Newaygo, and about 4/10 over at Clarksville, 1/10 in Lansing, that being the most. Again, 2/10 almost at Marlette, and in Brown City, just over 1/10 of an inch there. If we look at the radar, you can see the showers and thunderstorms moving off to the east-northeast again, affecting mostly the northern 2/3 of lower Michigan overnight, and we'll see these storms begin to reconform over to the southern part of the state and move to the north as that warm front begins to move to the north later on tonight. That'll spread more thunderstorms in, especially over the southern part of the state. Again, today from around Lansing or St. John's south, have to keep an eye to the sky. Could be some storms that may become severe. If we look at the forecast map this morning, you can see low pressure system that was back in the plains has now moved to the northeast across western portions of the UP, with the cold front now extending to the southwest. And out ahead of that, we expect strong to severe thunderstorms today with locally heavy rains off to our southwest. Just a chance of thunderstorms here across the area today, about a 30 to 50% chance after the morning activity moves out. And by tomorrow, that cold front slowly moving to the south, and we expect an area of severe weather to develop out ahead of it. And again, whether or not we become severe is, I think, we're going to be instability, the timing of this front. Again, if we can thin the clouds out and get some sunshine, if you see sunshine tomorrow morning into early tomorrow afternoon, then you'll probably be looking at a pretty good chance of severe storms around the area, and that's something we'll be watching. And then finally, by Saturday morning, that cold front moves off to the east, and we should become partly to mostly sunny by the afternoon. And right now, Sunday looks nice, temperatures near normal, so a good looking weekend. Any activity Saturday morning would be across the far eastern portions of the state of Michigan into southwest Ontario, mainly in the early to mid-morning before it pushes off to the east. As far as how much precipitation here over the next 72 hours, you can see about a 1/2 inch to an inch across much of central Michigan, and the heaviest rains will be across the south, where 1 to 1.5 inches are very likely. And over the next 7 days, you can see that's the area that's going to pick up the most rain across southern lower Michigan, and fortunately that is the area that needs it the most. And hopefully we can even see lesser amounts, maybe a little additional rain early next week. But again, heaviest rains will be out to the south. That's where the best chances of severe storms will be also. As far as the severe weather outlook, you can see today a marginal risk from around the areas around and south of about St. John's, from around Grand Rapids to St. John's over towards Sandusky. And then again tomorrow we'll have the same area around Grand Rapids to St. John's to Sandusky south will be under slight risk. The rest of the area will be under a marginal risk. And you can see our forecast today, low to, at least low 80s, maybe mid 80s if we see some sunshine, especially across south central and central Michigan. where I do think we'll see more in the way of sun. And then we expect temperatures again to be in the upper 70s to around 80 over the weekend with plenty of sunshine. Again, tomorrow we got to really watch out. I think that'll be our best chance of severe weather. And again, most places will pick up around 3/4 of an inch to an inch. Southern lower Michigan will probably pick up closer to 1.75 inches over the next couple of days. Thanks for stopping by and have yourself a great day, and 73s to all.